Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a review of this diyas that I got from Flipkart. So at first I have this from the brand Om Bhakti Traditional Terracotta. This is a pack of 6 diyas. Now they come in different colors like green, red and blue, and also you get this bati cotton with that. The quality looks very good and even the design of this is very nice. The cost of this is 108 rupees. From bottom it is plain brown color, but the quality really is very nice and they look very pretty, especially when you light it will look really beautiful. These are the cottons that you get with them, and they come also in very nice packaging. Like, this is the red colors are really bright and even the blue color is very bright. Here they have mentioned the caution and everything, and behind the price is given like 99. Now I got it for 108 rupees because you also get oil in this, a bottle of oil. So this is the bottle of oil which cost again 89 rupees, but it's like a blend of different oils and I have not tried this yet, but yeah, it will be good. Next I have got this mini diyas. They are ceramic. They are pack of 24 which I got, which is for 198 rupees, but I got it for 132. From this only one, the bottom part it have got like hole, but otherwise all are very nice, and you also get batis with this. They are very small but they look very cute as well. So yeah, I really like this one also. And they don't have that how the normal diyas have it like pointed thing like triangle in front. I don't know what to call for that, but yeah, this is normal round. Like, you don't have that thing for this diyas. It's like totally round. They are for 132 rupees, 24 you get. And at last I have this Anil Rakhi cotton wick terracotta table diya. These are also pack of 6. These are for 199 rupees, but I got it for 65. For 65 you are getting 6 diyas, and they are not colored, they are like plain, but they look quite similar to the ones that I showed first. You also get this batis with them. Quite similar, but they are brown in color and the design is different, and this looks like little bit more bigger compared to the previous one. Otherwise they are like very nice. The quality of all three is very nice. I'll leave down the link in the description box, so you can check it out if you like.